Alright everybody, thought I'd just take a minute to do a quick video here. It is February 21st of 2017. Outside on a warm day, almost 65 degrees, but we've got winds, sustained 40, gusting to 60 here in Salt Lake City. Thought I'd take a little video of the Hexbeam. The winds kind of come and go. I've had this antenna up for a couple years now. This is the NA4RR Hexbeam. Amazing antenna. We're on a very small city lot, only 125 by 80 feet. As you can see, we've got power lines behind us. That vertical is a 0.5 vertical. It's the 27-foot HOA vertical. But here comes the wind again. It's moving the tablet all over. But the Hexbeam is doing really well. It's just up on the roof with a basic TV antenna 5-foot tripod, really bolted in. It's got a Yaesu 800 rotor, and that's 1.5" EMT Conduit. Comes out of the tripod and goes up to the antenna. And even though the wind is moving around, it really was gusting here about 20 minutes ago. The antenna does pretty well. Super antenna, works really well. It's only up at about 30 feet, if that.